우리가 만든 love scenario 이젠 조명이 꺼지고 마지막 페이지를 넘기면 조용히
Hi, hello guys. So, Palakasan 2019 day 1. So, hi guys. I am with them again. Hi.
Yeah, we're going.
So, we're looking forward for the next event later.
Yeah, so excited.
Guwapo, no? So ayun guys, kakatapos lang ng food parade and torch lighting. So as you can see, ayan. So yun. And yun nga, sabi ko lang, kakatapos lang ng food parade. Tapos ano, yung torch lighting, and then ayan, so meron mo ng break yung program para mamayang gabi. So hi guys, update lang guys. So ayan, inulan na siya ngayon. So time check is already 4:20 and ang next event is 5 PM onward. So ayan, dito lang ako sa department and sobrang malakas ang hangin, tingnan nyo. Diba? Ayan. Sobrang. So ayan, sobrang mahangin. So tingnan nyo naman yung mga kahoy. Ayun lang. So ayan guys, update lang guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa gym, sa loob ng gym. And sobrang maulan sa labas. And nagpapasok na dito sa gym. And magsa-start yung night event is 6 PM and time check is already, wait, 5:17 PM and mahaba pa yung oras. So, konti pa lang yung tao dito sa gym. So, ayan, I am with them again. Thumbnail. Thumbnail.
Ginagawa mo.
Hi guys. So ayan, konti pa lang yung tao and I will update you later. Bye!
fought to fight union. Their battle was fierce as a river. They clashed in community, enemies, different entities and chaos. But once was stirred from the higher title. A million was hit with a fireball and came crashing to the ground, creating a massive explosion.
So, hello guys! So, my last update. So, ayan. Kakauwi ko lang ng bahay and basang-basa ako sa ulan. And thank you so much sa mga nakasabay ko, yung kaklase ko. Shout out sa kanila, kina Ethan, Rishaline, Daisy, Shaira, sino pa? Rika, Shella, Rema, and Kayla. So yun, thank you so much, and thank you din sa nakasabay ko sa pag-uwi, my friendship, Hong Kong. So ayan, so basang-basa ako galing ako school, and dito ko na-end yung video, and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng aking Palakasan 2019 vlog day 1. So bukas ulit guys, and gagawa ko ng vlog day 2. So abangan nyo na lang yung mga updates. So yun, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook, Bricks Tiguman, Instagram, Bricks.Tiguman, and sa Twitter @I'm_Bricks. So, thank you so much for watching. This is Bricks Tiguman. Annyeong! Bye!